Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, today I'm showing you how to make very easy homemade milk powder, and you just need one ingredient, and that's milk. Remember to please subscribe to my channel. Let us grow this family, guys. Yes, so in a pan I had 2 liters of milk. I used 2 liters in this one. Cook on medium heat, and when it boils, when it foams, please keep stirring it so that our milk doesn't burn. We don't want the milk to burn, so you keep stirring it, as you can see in the video. Yes, so guys, please follow on properly, don't miss any step, because every step is really important in making this milk powder. Yes, I really loved milk powder when I was still young. I remember going to school, I used to pack it and I used to just lick the powder and not make milk most of the times. I don't know your story about milk powder. You can tell me. Do you enjoy it? So you want to cook the milk until it looks like this. Be careful at this stage. Milk can easily burn, so we want the heat to be really low. You want to use low heat so that your milk doesn't burn. Yes, now this is the result. This is what you want. At this point, you can now remove it and let it cool. Like, put it aside, maybe in a bowl, and let it cool for some time. Yes, after some time. Now here, I used my tray. I put I oiled it. I put some butter so that my milk doesn't stick. You can use parchment paper, baking paper. Yeah, so this is my solid milk. Now you can use a baking tray. Now break it into tiny pieces. It's better when they're really tiny, because we want it to dry quickly, as you can see here. Break it into tiny pieces. Don't be tempted to test. I was tempted to test. Yes, I'm not going to lie. I was tempted to test, and it's nice. It's also nice, but that's not what we want. Yes, dry it in the sun, please. As you continue drying, you're going to break it into smaller and smaller and smaller pieces so that they get dry. As you can see here now, mine is completely dry. Yes, this is what we want. We want it completely dry. Now this is my grinder. I'm going to add in my milk solids here and get them ready for grinding. Yes, you can use a blender too. You can use a blender if you don't have a grinder. Now, please, if you want sweetened powder, add 2 tablespoons of sugar at this point. Just 2 tablespoons of sugar, and it will sweeten this. But I didn't want a sweetened powder. I didn't put sugar in mine. Okay guys, so this is our powder after grinding it. Now at this process, please sieve your milk powder. Yes, you sieve it, it's going to come out nice. Okay, so I tested this and it took me back to school. It took me back to those days when I used to just lick the whole tin of powdered milk. Now guys, you can store this in an airtight container and it can go up to 3 months. So this is very exciting and very nice. Please subscribe to my channel. Let us grow together. I'm going to be bringing you amazing recipes. Yes, so this is my milk. I'm going to sit back and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Come back for more recipes. Ciao.